Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Ayazin Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of a slander. Vowing to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of the situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate he inherited and his loved ones. While Ayaz, who has been used to living behind the walls he has built in his heart for years, breaks down these walls with the presence of Gunesh. Gunesh cannot avoid being caught between his feelings and revenge. Ayaz and Gunesh will fight a battle in a journey woven with secrets, and love will be both their salvation and their captivity. Number 9. Yalan. Malike, who is innocent, is convicted of killing her husband and is released after 20 years. Her only dream is to reunite with her daughter Hazal, whom she entrusted to her sister when she was a baby. However, Malike is not only waiting for her daughter outside, but also a new prison woven with lies. As Malike uncovers the lies told to her one by one, she will also understand that one kind of game she has fallen into while gradually approaching the girl who has been calling someone else her mother for years. She will also do her best to reveal the real killer of her husband. In this story woven with lies, the most conscientious will be the most ruthless and the most loyal will be the real traitors. Number 8. Tash Kagit Makas. Tash Kagit Makas delves into the life of Umut Tanirolu, a young man from a poor neighborhood with an extraordinary memory ability called hyperthymesia. His condition allows him to remember every detail from every moment of his life. Whether that's a blessing or a curse is not yet clear. When Umut's life takes a tragic turn, his father Riza is accused of murder and cannot defend himself due to his struggle with Alzheimer's disease. Umut, alongside the supportive law student Elif and the enigmatic lawyer Harun, embarks on a relentless quest for justice. Number 7. Kara Aj Destani. This series follows Jilal Aga, who covers all the lands in his region, seizes the lands of all the Agas, and ultimately has his Ras rival Usman Aga killed. On the day of the murder, Usman Aga's wife Raziye delivers a son. Fearing Jalal Aga's wrath, she entrusts her son to Jalal Aga's wife Asiye, who coincidentally gives birth to a daughter on the same day. This inadvertently makes Umar the son of the man who murdered his father. On the other hand, the daughter born to Jalal Aga's wife Asiye is kept a secret. Years goes by and Umar matures into a young man who is beloved and respected by all, a stark contrast to his father Jalal Aga. Number 6. Ghaddar. When Nadan broke his heart, Dagan thought his life was over. He abandoned his home, signed up for the army, and ended up in a special unit fighting in the east. Now, after 2 years of hard duty, the Afghan service is over and it's time to come home. But home is not as the Afghans remembers it. His family is shattered, and his old man neighborhood has given way to a narc underworld. Aidan is gone, and even the old my friends who remain all seem to be caught up in shady pursuits. When his loved ones come into danger, Dagan reluctantly accepts an offer to become a professional hitman, but even a hitman needs a code, and sometimes extraordinary circumstances can turn an ordinary man into a hero, especially when Aidan suddenly reappears in Dagan's life. Number 5. Khan Chichikleri. Khan Chichikleri tells the moving story of Dilan and Baran and the marriage they are forced into to end a blood feud despite the hostility of those around them, igniting a passion that will either blossom into love or bring devastation. Baran must put aside hatred of his enemies to save his brother and overcome the guilt he feels over an attack that killed his mother. As he seeks to bring peace to a family vying for revenge, destiny comes calling when Baran's uncle reveals he has tracked down those who attacked his parents. But his uncle hides a terrible secret. He is lying a trap and is actually the person behind the attack, hoping to get his hands on the family fortune if Baran were to take revenge and go to prison. Number 4. Sakla Beni. Mete and Nas, born into affluent and influential families, are bound together by a promise made during their childhood. This promise stems from a tragic incident where Nas' innocence was compromised and Mete's family offered unwavering support. As they grow older, their relationship becomes a roller coaster of heated arguments and passionate reconciliations. Mete, deeply committed to keeping the childhood promise, returns from studying abroad to marry Naz. However, fate intervenes when he crosses paths with Angela, Naz's loyal servant. Angela, who has found a family within Naz's household after a troubled past, accidentally becomes a pivotal figure in the upholding drama. Number 3. Shahane Hayatam. From the shimmering skylines of Dubai to the sun soaked shores of Miami, Shahane Hayatam follows the journey of Shabnam, an anti heroine born from adversity who claws her way to the top of society's ladder. Shabnam was a scholarship kid attending an elite school where she was bullied by rich students, parents, and even some of her teachers. Despite her brains, no one thought she would make it to their level, but with a dash of plastic surgery and unwavering ambition, Shabnam seizes the ultimate prize, a wealthy husband named Onur. Their union promises luxury, privilege, and envy of all who bear witness. However, the illusion crumbles when the ghost of Shabnam's past resurfaces, threatening her picture perfect existence. Number 2. Kirli Sapeti. From every rich neighborhood, there is an army of poor women who keep it running. All these cleaners, caregivers, and household help live by the same rule: be invincible. Like pieces of furniture, they are there to serve a function and that's it. Only after working all day for someone else's family can they go home to their own and live like real people with their own dreams and desires. Kirlis Pete is the story of one such group of resilient women whose lives are spent cleaning up the masses left by others. The story begins when Mariam, one of these women, tragically falls to her death while working in a house, an event that goes unnoticed by the people she served. Number 1. Yabani. Yabani follows the remarkable journey of Ali, who was abducted as a boy and ended up working for the gang that kidnapped him. After enduring years of hardship, Ali renames himself Yaman and escapes his captors to build a new, better life together with his three friends. Things are not easy for this new family, but they work hard and are able to leave their dark past behind. Through it all, Yaman somehow manages to keep his soul pure and never succumbs to the darkness that surrounds him. Things get complicated when Yaman meets Ruya, a beautiful girl from the rich side of town. Her boyfriend nearly overdosed and it's up to Yaman to save him. He delivers Ruya's boyfriend to his mother, who is a senior physician. Later, after the boyfriend beats up Yaman's best friend in retaliation for exposing his drug problem to his mother, Yaman goes to his house to take revenge. That is when Yaman realizes that Ruya's boyfriend is his brother and he is actually Ali Soisalan, the boy who was kidnapped 15 years ago. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.